Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take three thrift store items and give them a complete transformation. So without any further ado guys, just grab a nice warm cup of tea and let's get started. I found this cute little jar at the thrift store for $3. It is pretty dirty, so I gave it a really good wash. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some spray paint, and I am going to stuff the inside of the jar so that the spray paint does not get any inside, because I do want to use it maybe for fudge or some tea or something, some food. So I want to make sure that no spray paint goes in the inside of the jar. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to give it 2 good coats of spray paint. I'm using trim clad white flat paint, as the white chalk paint was not available at my store at this time. So I had to improvise. I had prepared some label that I printed on the printer with some tissue paper, and I'm going to use that on 2 of my projects. Now that my jar is nice and dry and it has 2 coats, I'm just using a cloth here to hold my jar in place while I get one of my labels ready to apply on. So I'm going to cut one of these off to get ready for my jar. I'm going to use some Mod Podge in a flat, and I am going to use a small brush and apply that in the middle of the jar in the center, and put my label on it and then work my way out. And when you apply on your label the Mod Podge, you want to go very easy so you don't tear up your paper. Now that the Mod Podge is dry, I'm going to use some Rust-Oleum clear flat protector in the spray, and I'm going to give 2 coats of that to my jar. And here's the final result. This is a very cute, very easy to do, and it's very clean looking. I really like this little jar. I probably will use it for some fudge. I got this little jar at the thrift store for $5. I really liked the shape of it, so I got it anyway. I thought $5 was a bit much, but I'm using the same spray paint as the first project, and I'm not going to repeat everything. I'm going to speed up through it because I'm basically doing the same step throughout this little project as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And here is the final result. I just added some greeneries in the little jar, and I love the clean look and the farmhouse look that it gives me. And I'm just going to use that probably on a side table somewhere throughout my home. I found this third tray at my local thrift store. I paid $8 for it. I really like the shape of it, and it's nice and big. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the same spray paint as the other previous projects, and I'm going to give it 3 coats of spray paint and spray it with a protector as well. And then I'm going to decorate it. And here's the final result. I put a candle on top. It fitted perfectly. I added a few mugs and some greeneries, and I really love the look that it gives me. It's really nice and clean looking, and it's a cute little addition to the kitchen.
Well, that's it for this video, folks. These were very easy DIYs, as you can see. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. I would love to hear all your comments down below. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel yet, well, please do that. Until next time, have yourself a great day.